Are you ready to make a snowman? Yay!
Look, Mama, there's lots of snow.
Yes. Let's make a snowball.
Yay!
And throw on Papa. Throw it, throw it. Oh! Mama turn.
There you go.
Let's play hide and seek with Papa. Oh, where's Papa? Papa can't see us. Oh!
Papa and Mama, let's make a snowball. Let's make a snowball, Mama.
It's fun.
Papa and Mama, let's make a snowball.
Yes. Let's do this. Read.
I didn't get ya. Papa, we having fun. We having fun, Papa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Read. I'll throw you in the snow. Dun, 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 dun. It was fun. Reet, we have surprise eggs around in the snow. Can you please find them?
Yeah.
Oh, you got one. Oh, put that in the basket. Oh, There's another one.
Mama, can you please get it for me?
Oh.
Ah!
Ah. Another one. Yep. Find more. We have 3 more. Oh. Papa made the snowman.
Ah! Ah! Another.
Yes.
Got that? Yeah.
Uh-oh. It fell down. Ah. Here it is.
Ah! Orange.
Orange.
Ah! Another.
Another one. Nice. Done?
Yeah.
So we will open it. Hooray! Let's open the eggs.
Okay. We got Elsa.
Yeah. Let's open the next one.
We got minions. We got minions like that.
Yes. Open, open.
Can you open it, Mama? Oh. What's the
It's minion puzzle.
Yeah.
Build it.
So we have Bob.
Bob. Okay. Let's open the next one. What's that?
We got the robot.
Robot.
Oh, that's a big piece.
Oh, that's a Star Wars.
Yeah. Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's open the next one. What's in there?
We got Sky.
You got Sky. Oh, wow.
He's from Paw Patrol.
It's from Paw Patrol, yes. You're ready to go on mission.
Yeah. Sky can fly.
Yes, Sky can fly.
Ah.
Let's open the next one.
Oh, we got Marshall.
Oh, you got Marshall.
From Paw Patrol again.
Yes.
Marshall can drive from his fire truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's open the next one.
Yeah, let's open the next one. What's in there?
We got Poppy.
Poppy! Oh! I love Poppy!
Yeah.
Show me. Aww.
Mama, like you want to
I want to hug her.
hug her.
You do hug too. Poppy love hugs, right?
Yeah.